Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Today I just thought you could spend the weekend with me, or this can potentially turn into a weekly vlog. I don't know yet, but it is Friday afternoon. I've just finished work and I'm off to go and get my nails done. These are so grown out. I'm not sure if you can, look how disgusting these are. I think I'm going to go for a red colour though, because I've not actually had a chance to get my nails done in ages because I've been painting, because we've got all the ceilings done upstairs. Just thought I'd do a quick outfit of the day. The mirror is actually so dusty. I just got some leggings on, my Yeezys, which I never wear, and then this jumper from Bershka. And I just kind of like the fit of this, how it's kind of longer at the back than the front. My hair, I don't really know what's going on with this, but yeah, let's go and get my nails done. So I've just pulled up to get my nails done. I didn't actually realise how hot it is outside. It's 21.5 degrees. I've left my phone at home, which was really annoying, because on the way here I was going to call my mum and just have a catch up with her. It's annoying, but I can deal without my phone. It's not the end of the world, but I am literally roasting in this jumper and I don't have a t-shirt on underneath. Just got my nails done, the brightest red ever. I absolutely love this set and I feel like it works so nicely with like the grey jumper. Just so pleased with this set. I did have to wait 45 minutes though, and I went to one ATM to get cash out and it was broken, so then had to go to another, thinking that I was going to be so late for my appointment, but I was actually early, and then had to wait 45 minutes to an hour for my appointment, which was so annoying. I'd rather them just message me and say, running late, can we push out your appointment to a later time, rather than me having to wait around, because I've literally got so much to do. But it's what it is. At least I've got my nails done now. I also feel like I've got like this massive spider bite on my forehead, and it just isn't a vibe. On the topic of having so much to do, this is the current state of our second bedroom. We've got all paints on the wall, trying to choose like a green colour shade to go through. We're thinking of going for this one. I think it's Overly Olive by Dulux, and we've had all the ceilings plastered. We haven't actually ever got round to painting this room since we've moved in. We're also obviously getting new carpets. We have actually been living in here the last couple of weeks, and we moved our bed back into our main bedroom yesterday because we finished painting that. But we've got this whole stairs landing bit to paint, which is going to be a nightmare to get to the top there. We've also got a new loft hatch fitted, and we've got like this new handrail fitted and a little glass panel bit that also needs painting. So we've got like so much painting to do, and it is just a mess absolutely everywhere, but we're finally kind of getting somewhere. I just can't wait to get rid of this blue grey paint on the wall. The floorboards have all come up and everything in here because we had our boiler moved downstairs into our garage from our downstairs loop. When I say we've got so much to do, it's just a knock-on effect of waiting for other people and things like that. I've just now got to paint, which doesn't seem that bad, but I just want to get it out of the way before I actually start my uni course, because I've actually opted in to do a uni course next year. So it's going to be a lot of work to work full-time and do that. But we have painted in our main bedroom. I would show you in here, but it's looking a mess, so once I've actually cleared it up, I'll show you guys properly. Not gonna lie, this vlog's gonna be all over the place. It is now next Thursday, and I'm gonna take Archie for a walk. Been looking after him for the whole week, and yeah, just look how cute he is. It's actually my boyfriend's mum's dog. She's currently in Ibiza, so we're looking after him. Today is feeling like autumn weather. I've just put my kind of gym clothes on because I'm going to the gym afterwards. And then I'm just wearing like this grey coat, which the lighting's not great because I have to shut the blinds. But it's like this grey trench coat from Primark, which was £34 I think. And I've also got a massive order over here, a massive ASOS order. So that will be coming onto my channel very soon. But for now, we're gonna get everything sorted and take him out. Just got back from a walk and he absolutely loves lying there. That's like his little stool, and he'll just lie there all day. But I think I'm just going to go upstairs and show you what we've actually done to the spare bedroom. But this is the current state of the bedroom now. We have managed to paint the ceiling. We fitted a new light, which I absolutely love, and it's nice that it's like a warm light as well. And we've painted the walls all white and the back one green, which I love the colour that we've chosen. And we can put the blinds back on now. There's just some like finishing touches of like the skirting board. I cannot wait to get carpet in here because it just looks so much better and a lot less of the building site in here. Very echoey in here, and yeah, I just look absolutely horrendous. I actually washed my hair this morning. I'm trying to grow my hair, so I'm trying not to straighten it as much. It's so windy outside as well. This bit's just gone really frizzy. I guess it doesn't matter because I'm gonna go to the gym. I've just pulled up for my gym class. It actually starts in half an hour, so I think I might go on the Stairmaster or the treadmill for a little bit just beforehand to kind of warm my lower body up, because I'm doing a booty workout and it is only for half an hour, but my legs ache already. I did a circuit training class yesterday and it was like high interval training. It was so brutal, it is so intense, it always is every week, but you feel so good afterwards. But today my legs are so sore from it because we did deadlifts as one of them and I upped my weights, which maybe I shouldn't have upped my weights for my deadlifts because my hamstrings are really like sore today. So even when I was walking Archie earlier, I could just kind of feel it, and especially if you're sitting down all day at work, yeah, it's just not quite a vibe. So I'll probably stretch out on the treadmill, go on the Stairmaster for a bit and then do my gym class, but no doubt I'll be a sweaty mess afterwards. And I'm just wearing like this Gymshark t-shirt. I kind of am preferring wearing t-shirts to the gym at the minute rather than vests. I've just finished a gym class and it was literally so good. My legs are so sore and like jelly already, like my legs are literally shaking right now. But it was actually such a good class and like a good end to the week because tomorrow is my rest day because I don't do anything on Friday. I am literally baking and so hot right now. I took my hair out of the bun because I don't like to tie my hair up because I feel like it's going to damage it because I'm on the hair growth journey. Again, it's looking mad and a little bit mental. I'm just not used to having my hair curly. Can't wait to get home and have a shower. It is now the next day. I am working from home. I've worked from home this morning and I will this afternoon. I am just currently on my lunch break, but the postman has just dropped off the most gorgeous pair of gym trainers that I just have to share with you guys. If I can find them online, I will link them down below. Honestly, these are absolutely stunning and gorgeous and I don't think you guys are ready for it. These are the trainers and how stunning are these. I just absolutely love the gold detailing on them. They're the Metcon Easy On ones, so they've got like this that you can kind of step on the back and just easily put them on. I know that they're white and we're coming into the winter, so these are potentially going to get so ruined, but I just absolutely love the gold and the colourway of these. I actually bought my mum a pair of black ones for her birthday last year and I've been wanting some ever since, so I kind of treated myself. Yeah, how gorgeous and stunning are these? I've not obviously tried them on, but because I do a lot of gym classes, these tend to be the better ones for gym classes. The ones I've got at the minute I think are the Nike 270s and the bubble on the back are just so uncomfortable, so I think these are going to be a lot more stable and I just love a white trainer. He's sneezing or coughing. Yeah, that's just Archie down there. Just honestly, I absolutely love these gym trainers so much. I know they're going to get ruined, which I don't want them to get ruined, but I cannot wait to wear them. There's nothing better than a brand new white pair of trainers. I've just taken this one out for a walk and he absolutely loved it, but I am absolutely roasting now. It was like 25 degrees out, but I'm so hot now. The weather cannot make up its mind on what to do. It's like 25 degrees out. I was wearing this new jumper from H&M, but I'm gonna have to take it off. It's all like fleece lining and it's really nice because I've not washed it yet. I'm gonna have to go and find a t-shirt. I literally cannot get into my t-shirt drawer at all at the minute because everything from the second bedroom is in the other smaller bedroom, and then I don't keep my t-shirts hung up in the main bedroom where all my other clothes are. So I'm gonna have to try and find a t-shirt if I can find one because I am literally overheating now. But he absolutely loved his walk and it was probably like too hot to go, but it was only like a 10-minute walk in my lunch break. And yeah, I'm just gonna quickly change my t-shirt and get back to work. I have just finished work for the weekend and I did actually find a t-shirt earlier. So I've got this one from Bowen T. They do such amazing oversized t-shirts. But I'd put some washing on in my lunch break. Does anyone find during their lunch break, if they're working from home, they try and do the most amount of work as they possibly can? Because I managed to take Archie for a walk and put a wash load on in half an hour, so I thought that was just like a win-win. So I need to peg that outside, and then I'm also thinking of painting. So it finished the satin wood in the second bedroom, and then I'm also probably going to attempt to paint the top ceiling part of the hall stairs landing bit, but I'm not going to be able to reach the edges, so I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'll give it a good go. You know, when you try and do something you think you're making an improvement and it has to look worse before it looks better. Well, there was like a small crack throughout this ceiling and we have just had it plastered, but because we knew that there was a crack there when I painted it and we thought that would cover it up, it slightly didn't. So this is now the current state of This is the freshly plastered ceiling that I have just put a filler on it, and I'm just hoping it turns out alright, because I'm now going to then, once that's dried, sand it down and then paint it, and hopefully it will look better. I feel like that just looks absolutely horrendous. So fingers crossed it actually all works out for the better. I've got my little helper down here. He is actually going back to his house tonight, which is going to be weird not having a dog. I feel like he's made me want to get a golden retriever even more now than I did before. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to start my uni course for the year at the end of this month. So it's not worth having a puppy now because I won't have the time to train it and look after it properly. So I'm going to have to wait a bit longer, but at some point I would definitely get a golden retriever. So half of this vlog is in the car, but it is now Sunday morning and I am at the gym ready to go. I've got like this Nike t-shirt on. I don't really like this one, it's like a double layered one kind of thing, but all my other ones I actually like to wear it in the wash because it's the end of the week. I did try and vlog yesterday, but my camera died on me. I went to Fossepark in the morning and then kind of had a bit of a chilled afternoon, but I'll show you later what I picked up from Fossepark. I was going to wear my new trainers today, but I'm not sure if you can tell from the clouds behind me, but it is raining and I don't want to ruin my white trainers the first time I ever wear them. I'm doing the gym class Ignite Strike today, which I can't wait for. It's like one of my favourite ones. It's like punching, kicking, but it is literally so fun and I really enjoy it for some reason. My mum is actually meeting me here today because we kind of do this class together each week, which is nice because then we just kind of catch up and talk about the week. And my mum has actually just pulled up and is parking a car now, but I did buy her these earrings yesterday, which I can't wait to give them to her. They're from M&S and M&S jewellery is actually insane and so good, but this pair I just think are so cute and literally so stunning. They're £25 and they're plated in real 14 karat gold. They've got pearls on, little gems, and I just love the shape of them. My sister also bought a pair because she came with me yesterday. My mum's already seen them and wished she had them, so I'm going to give her this pair and I'm sure she'll absolutely love them. So I've just finished my gym class. I feel so much better for it. I don't know why I've put my jumper back on because I am actually baking now. I'm sat in my car, so I can't wait to turn my car on and put the aircon on full blast. The weather's actually turned out really nicely as well, but the class was really good because there was only 8 of us in the class. It was practically dead. It's usually like 28 of us in the class, but it was really nice to have so much space to just move about and kind of kick, punch and whatnot. I just always feel so good for this class on a Sunday. I feel like it's a good Sunday reset just to kind of get your anger out on the week. So from all that painting, just like punching, kicking and whatnot, and yeah, I just feel so much better for it. My mum absolutely loved the earrings that I got her as well. I feel like I'm going to go back to Fossepark again later today and just see what other jewellery that they've got and pick up myself a few bits because I really want to get into my jewellery. I did pick up a bracelet, but like I said, I'll show you guys later what I did pick up from Fossepark. I'm now back from the gym and thought I'd just quickly show you guys what I picked up yesterday from Fossepark. So from Boots they had this micellar water on offer. I use this one all the time and it actually has a pump at the top and it was on offer for £15 if you had a Boots card, so I definitely recommend trying this out, especially if you've got sensitive skin. And it is 850ml, so it is a big bottle. And then I bought a new Epic ink liner from NYX and it is waterproof and it's literally the one I wear all the time. And then from Primark I found the teddy bear pyjamas for £8. The only problem is this was the only set left and it was a size large, so it is very big, very oversized, but I just thought it was so cute that I just couldn't resist buying it because I know if I didn't buy this one, when I go back I won't actually be able to find the one I want. I have tried the trousers on. They are slightly too big, but I can kind of roll them slightly around the waist so that they don't fall down, and the top is very long. But pyjamas are nice to have oversized. And another lady in there, I felt really bad. She was after them and I was like, I just found them on the shelf randomly by themselves, but she was like smaller than me, so these definitely wouldn't have fit her either, otherwise I would have given them up. I did also try and find the viral Primark jumpers. They only had one in a size small, which would have been my size, but it wasn't the colour I wanted and I was just expecting to find them everywhere, so I'm gonna have to go back at Primark at some point to see if they've restocked them or if they are actually in. But unfortunately my Primark wasn't giving too much yesterday. I also bought myself this bracelet from TK Maxx yesterday, which I absolutely love. The dangliness of it though is a little bit annoying. I'm really getting into my jewellery collection. I really struggle to say jewellery. I don't really know if I'm saying that right, but I really want to get into building my collection and getting more staple earrings. Like I mentioned earlier, M&S collection is so good. I found this one in TK Maxx, and I did actually buy a bracelet when I went to Rhodes, Greece, and that's broken already, which was really annoying. And then I had a bangle that I've also lost as well, so I didn't have any bracelets and it just feels strange not wearing one. So yeah, this is my little new kind of tennis style bracelet. I think I also want to update my Apple Watch strap as well to make it like a silver and gold, just to make it a little bit different than the classic sports watch. But I think I'm going to sign this vlog off here. I'm literally only going to do a food shop later and actually paint the house and do a little Sunday reset of actually clearing the house. Like, I've just got Primark bag that's literally all ripped up and everything on the sofa. I just need to have like a proper clear out, tidy up and clear all the floors. It actually feels so weird that Archie's no longer here and he's back at his mum's house, because when I get back from the gym or get back from anywhere, it's just so quiet. So I really want to get a dog, but obviously it's not the right time for me to get a dog at the minute, otherwise I would. Yeah, that brings me on to the end of the video. If you did enjoy, please remember to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time for another video.